Look what they're doing. Do you see?
I see a sniper.
You see them? That's where they post.
What happened? I see snipers.
You can't go in no more. Do? Are we good? Oh, sorry.
She's speaking.
Pretty.
A huge round of applause for our formation here today, honoring our Canadian United States Navy
Nani.
School at NAS
Nani.
in Maryland. He's a multi-time
Cheese.
Ironman and spent his free time when not around airplanes cycling and enjoying motor.
All right, say hi to our Coca-Cola over here. I believe they're the same guys that went to Eagle River Bear Paw Parade. Okay, that was the same one. They don't have the truck here, but they have a tent. All righty, guys.
You can see everything.
Oh yeah, you're right. Part of what you're going to see today that happens here in no other area.
This is our boom operator stand. This is, we give gas to other airplanes while we're flying. So on the back of it, we've got something that'll pop down, and it's like a big hose that we can control.
Let me see.
How exciting is that, ladies and gentlemen? But once they get their canopies deployed, it may look like they're way up there, but they can hear you. I promise. If you'll holler and clap and let them know how excited we are to have them there, these are your heroes. Just one rescue, a para-rescue that are here, demonstrating some of their capabilities for you here today. Now, again, we're watching these aircraft depart. We are now waiting for them to make their way down just a little bit. If you'll remember again, before we jump around, we'll have the flag with state of Alaska. We'll see that here momentarily. Right on cue. There it is. There's our great flag. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are underway. We're about ready to get started with our first performer. We're going to give you just a... How about that ride? How'd you like to
All right, you guys. So I am here.
Those are your folks.
This is our spot we picked here. We're gonna have an air show up there. We are on Joint Base Ammendorf Richardson. That is Jaber here in Anchorage, Alaska.
Miss Melissa Dawn Burns.
So the kids are not with me, but I don't worry about it because the kids have, each one of them have a bracelet with my phone number. And if anything, they will, contact me or anybody if they can't find me. But we have a code to meet me back here by the Coca-Cola and the Air Force plane. And Kailani has a leash on her, like a backpack with a leash. And her leash will be hooked onto one of the girls' wrist. So we'll be safe. It is a very, very, very big place here with thousands of people. So here we are. The kids are right now over here. All these vendors out here, they have games, they have food. The kids are just enjoying themselves. But yes, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. So a lot of things that's going on right now.
As you watch Melissa demonstrate the amazing capabilities of this Edge 5.
Okay. Here we go. There's a show. Do they go higher up there?
Those little ones? They're good.
Cool. They started.
Watch now. Watch, she's going to show you just a little bit more of her amazing skill set.
Whoa.
She not only considers this her hometown nation to promote the future, she's very into and very much dedicated to inspiring the next generations. Here's your last pass, ladies and gentlemen. Get your cameras out. Melissa Burns here at the end of the CP with her amazing skills.
see how small it is right there? It's the same size as that, and this one that I'm right next to. Woo! All right, I got some of the kids back over there where I was, and now I'm gonna take you guys a little bit more on the north side here.
We're so excited to hear tales of all the F-22s and the F-16 Thunderbirds and the German Air Force Luftwaffe Tornadoes are down there. So ladies and gentlemen, there it is, smoke on the runway. Here is Team Undaunted Air Show from the left. As their skills developed, the full air show demonstration emerged. Under Christopher, here that celebration brings with the head on the hat. Watch this very, very five and 10 directions, dimensions all working at the same time. As the lead aircraft moving right in front of the trailer. Position, change formation. These two demonstrate motion flying unlike anybody else. They are rock solid and once they're together, nothing.
Look at the bomb.
The historic thing about this aircraft is very
Right there, look at the smoke over there.
to be shot down in Korea. First jet versus jet victory ever. Ray Collier, Pacemaker Air Show, showing you the amazing.
hair. Check out Nani's hair. Woo! Very own Nina, Nina, Nina. Nina, Nina. Nina, Nina. Show Nina. Show Nina tattoo. Show Nina tattoo.
Alaska Behavior Health, AARP, the Ferris Group, Red Bull Team. Now, turn the microphone over to them.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Pack Athletics.
So we're gonna end our videos here. Thanks for tuning in. One love always. All right, Anchorage, Alaska. It was 85 degree earlier, probably almost 90 degree. Now it dropped down back to 81. We are here in Mountain View area, and we're about to head out. We'll see you guys later. Nani, look at me. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I see you. Bye, baby.